how to change Revolut password. Now, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So in order to change your Revolut password, what you're gonna have to do is simply open the Revolut app on your phone, and then the next step is to simply log into your account. So you can do this with your personal and your business Revolut account. Now the next step is to simply go to your settings. So simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then simply tap on security and privacy, and then tap on change password. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply follow the instructions on the screen, and basically that's all you have to do in order to change Revolut password. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.